Have you ever felt the pain of cooking nutritious food? If your answer is yes, then the Indian diet is the answer. Friends, I still remember that when for the first time I started my health journey, cooking of the nutritious food was a headache for me. I used to come late from my office, and after that I used to bought the vegetables and fruits along with me, and after that me and my wife used to cook that diet food so that we can become fit in our life. But friends, believe me, it was not an easy task. Just believe me that once you reach your home at 8 p.m., after that you make your fruit salads, then you make your tomato soup, then you make your paneer sabji along with the rice or along with the chapati or other things. It was not easy for me. But because of the sake of the fitness, I started, and definitely I received some results. But I cannot adjust that kind of a lifestyle or that kind of diet preparation in my life. That's why today I will talk about the how you can prepare your food in a faster way so that you won't have any problem to achieve your health for your lifetime. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can make their lifestyle an extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, as I was mentioning that the food is the main part of our life, and if you really want to be fit, then you need to start up with your food. But it should not be a headache for you that you are just spending more than 2 hours of a day or 3 hours of a day just by cooking the nutritious food. That's why there is a art which a person must learn about it. And today I will tell you about the 3 secrets which I usually use in my kitchen so that my diet will become easy for me. That's why I carry out as a part of my life. But before I start, I really want to tell you one thing, that your diet should be according to your lifestyle only. If I asked a Bengali people to stop consuming fish and rice, maybe he or she will not. If I ask a Punjabi people to stop parathas, maybe he or she will not. If I ask to a Gujarati people to stop pouring sugar into the dal, maybe they not. If I ask to a South Indian people to stop consuming dosa idli, maybe they will not. Because your food should be as per your lifestyle only. But still there are many tricks which you can apply along with the Indian tricks so to get the more benefit out it. And you're not gonna believe in it that the Indian diet has so many things already into it. Otherwise, people of outside of India, they consume supplements of turmeric, cumin seeds or garlic in their life so that they can reduce their fat. But we are naturally consuming them in our food. Friends, the 3 tricks which I would like to tell you about today so that you can apply in your kitchen and you will get rid of all the junk food or all the sugary food from your kitchen. The number 1 trick is try to make everything in a chilla form. Chilla is a kind of you can say liquid which can be made up of wheat, which can be made up of rice, which can be made up of pulses, which can be made up of besan and all the things. Anything you can put in the chilla. You can also include the onions or other vegetables into the chilla. It usually does not take much time of you in cooking. Not only it is nutritious, but it is also easy to cook. Usually you can make a liquid or the paste of the chilla, and you can keep it in your fridge in the morning. You just need to soak it in the night in water, and just after that mix it in a mixer, and after that just make it for whole day. It will be good to go rather than any chapatis or rice if they are headache for you. The second trick which I like to tell you about, the second trick is boil the vegetables. Maybe some people will say, what is this? If we are going to boil the vegetables, then we are not only all the nutrition will go out of the vegetables, but it won't taste nice. I'm not telling you to just throw the water out of it. Just boil the vegetable or steam them, and after that use what kind of tadka you uses. Usually I use the tadka, the butter tadka along with the cumin seed, garlic and all, and after that I pour it on my vegetables and cook it something like this. But if I steam my vegetable, every day, every time I uses 2 to different type of masalas or spices into my vegetables. So that's why at time I uses the chaat masala, at time I uses the garam masala, At time I use the chicken masala into the vegetables. So the different kind of taste I usually get from my vegetables. I just boil my vegetable and then after that I make a tadka out of it, and every time I serve vegetable hot on my plate, and within 5 minutes I make the tadka of my vegetables. The same trick you can also apply in your kitchen. Just boil the vegetable around 1 kg or 2 kg vegetables, and after that just make them as a tadka for your diet. Not only it will be easy, but it's going to save you so much time. The third thing which I usually apply on my diet, that I usually consume so much soup. The soup is a dish that not only it is easy to cook, not only you can increase its volume, but it is also very healthy for your fitness. So the making of the soup is quite easy. You just need to boil the vegetables, and after that just crush them and make the tadka as per your choice. You should not need any other science on it. Whatever kind of tadka we are using, whether you are from Bengal, Punjab, Gujarat or from South India, you can use your tadka on into your soup. So friends, these are some of the 3 tricks of my diet which I usually take care in my life. The number 1 is that I uses the chila form of grains. The second, grains and pulses. The second one is that I boil my vegetable, and third thing is I make soup of my boiled vegetables in my kitchen. So friends, not only in this, but there are also many other things also that I make for my lean sources of proteins also, but usually I do not cook them again and again. Just I consume them in a tastier way with different spices into them. You can also do it. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, and if you want to know that how to start the dieting and how to start the exercises, then I have created an ebook for you. Link I am giving you in the description so that you can download. If you want to reduce up to 10 kg in your life, then feel free to contact me or message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.